Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to configure a Happy Hours scheme in Logic ERP. To get started, navigate to the Configuration menu and open the Setup Scheme campaign window. Click to refresh. Since this scheme is based on specific time intervals, first enable the Campaign Schedule column from Setup column attributes. Once you have enabled the Campaign Schedule column, you can proceed with defining the scheme. Enter the scheme campaign name and define the time period during which the scheme will remain active. In the Campaign Schedule column, press the space key to set up the required schedule for the scheme. Simply define the task name, then specify the start time and end time for the Happy Hours scheme. This indicates how many hours the scheme will remain active. After entering the details, click the Add button. Once the timing is set, define the recurrence pattern, whether the scheme should repeat weekly or monthly. If set to weekly, choose whether it applies to a specific week or all weeks, and select the days on which the scheme should recur. For example, the scheme can be enabled every Tuesday during the defined hours. The start date will display the current date by default. Finally, click Add or Update button, and then click Done to save the changes. After defining the campaign scheduler, save the scheme. Next, navigate to the Group Options tab, select the scheme campaign, and enter the group name. In the Scheme Group Type column, press the space key and choose the appropriate option from the drop-down on which the scheme should be applied. Once configured, save the changes. Then, move to the Scheme Groups tab. Select the item category on which the scheme will be applied and save the changes to complete the setup. Moving on to the next step in the scheme setup, you now need to configure the slab details for the scheme campaign. To do this, open the Scheme Campaign Slab Details window. Select the scheme campaign. Enter 1 in the minimum quantity or value field and set the scheme basis to quantity. Next, under the slab details section, define the slab value as 1 and the CD as 25%. Once all the details are properly entered, save the settings. Open the Sale Bill touchscreen window to see how the Happy Hours scheme works and start a new transaction. Since we defined the Happy Hours schedule for Tuesday, we will now create a bill on Tuesday. However, at the current time, the Happy Hours period has not started yet, so the scheme should not apply even though the day is correct. While saving the bill, you will notice that no scheme appears in the Available Schemes window, confirming that the scheme is inactive. Now, close the window and create a new bill again. This time, the Happy Hours period has begun, so proceed to initiate a new transaction. Click Save on the voucher, and you will clearly see that the flash sale, Happy Hours scheme is displayed and can be applied. This confirms that the scheme automatically enables and disables according to the defined Happy Hours schedule.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.